Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing PowerPoint slide in which we have to make this hanging text in there with beautiful pastel colors. So let's make it. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So I have inserted a color palette. Remove everything from your slide and then insert a text box in which you're going to write the first alphabet of the letter you want to use in the slide. We're going to duplicate it and then change the letter to each of the alphabet line wise, and we're gonna give the align them horizontally and then vertically and rotate them in different posters. So here you go. Next, we're gonna put it into the middle of a slide and insert a rectangle, remove its outline, send it to the back, and put each one of the letter on it. We're gonna duplicate it about the same number of times that the number we have the alphabet. So we're gonna put each one of them onto each one of the tags. Here you go. So let's just put it right here. And here you go. We're gonna put all of them onto each of the rectangle and then decrease its width according to the top of our alphabet. Now select all of them, group them and put them into the middle of your slide. Ungroup them again and give color to each of the rectangle as same as the alphabet that is on it. So I'm gonna use different colors. You can get this color palette from Chrome by searching for pastel color palettes or aesthetic pastel palettes. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. Don't forget to watch my other videos and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos like these. Now you're going to select all of the alphabet and give them this top corner of the shadows. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use.